Candidate number 1.
Siya ang best in swimsuit.
Correct.
Oo. Correct. Ay, nasuot-suot na pag-gabi, idong nga.
Number 5, ma'am.
Siya, ulat ka lang. So, our next award. Wala yung itingog. Lastly, our Miss Eloquent. Pinakabahong ilok. The most smart, the wittiest, and the smartest candidate among them all. Ang Miss Q&A, Miss Eloquent, goes to, and of course, please do the honor to give the award ng Vice President. Walay lain!
Walay lain!
Contestant number 5! Hello, nalipay na siya.
Ay, muro-muro daw. Makaon daw ang buko.
So, ang judges na nakabal sa scoring actually, the mga judges, mysterious judge good. Who doesn't know who among these people are judge na to? Smile po sir. Uy, ginidawag mangkang. Waka, o yun, gigawin ko na.
Congrats, number 5! A picture sa friends. Advice. Congratulations, candidate number 5. Next!
Ang ato ang fourth runner-up will receive 1,000 pesos. Ang ato ang third runner-up,
5.
1,500. Ang atong second runner-up, 2,500 cash. Cash. Atong first runner-up, dili siya cash pero it is renewal work 3,500. Diba? Not bad. Mahal ba ang renewal karon?
Correct.
And lastly, ang atong corona, whoever crowned as most mature of Team DA will receive 5,000 pesos cash!
Ready na ba ba? May bala ng winners?
So now, I will now announce our fourth runner-up. Our fourth runner-up will receive a sash.
The fourth runner-up
Cash
will
lang,
receive
cash lang.
cash worth of 1,000 pesos.
Yes,
to be
cash
awarded
lang.
with.
Yeah, of course. Pag napon siya additional one-piece Swiss chicken na coupon. Congratulations! You are our fourth runner-up.
To be awarded.
And please do the honor to award our fourth runner-up, si Ma'am
Si Ma'am
Celine.
Celine.
Congratulations, contestant number
Contestant number
Number
Who's your best?
Number one!
number 1. Congratulations.
Okay, panapin sa
For the picture.
Wala.
Picture sa
Picture sa Ma'am Celine. O, sa taas, ayan. So, ang nga po na. 1.5 po na, sir.
1.5 di ay.
So, ang awan na tawag ang 205. Alright, so now, I will now announce our third runner-up. And again, our third runner-up will receive a sash, a cash, and another voucher. And, please do the honor, and of course, a bouquet. Naboy bouquet, shalan. Bouquet courtesy of Cosmopolitan Philippines. Charina. Charina. Fresh flowers. Ayan. Fresh ba na? Wow, fresh. Oy, ayun sa gawas. Oy, nabuhay man ka.
Matagal yun na ka?
Di ka po yung kataas kayo ng pahuway. Sa tinungod lang. Kami, walang pahuway. Agaw lang ko din eh. Padlong ba ka niya? Our third runner-up, no, will receive 1,500 na cash, a bouquet, and a sash. And of course, ang mag-award ani si Ma'am Rachel. Congratulations! Candidate number number 5! 1.5 eh. Abusar po kay Kai.
Kadawat ang 1.5 ang kukir.
Kanino ang cookie na kadawat ako. Pag sinigang na ugma,
Muro-muro na sinigang.
ay, thank you so much. Congrats.
Congrats.
So karon, tuloy na lang nabilin. We have number 2, number 3, and number 4. So karon, I will now announce our second runner-up. And of course, our second runner-up will receive 2,500.
Cash.
Cash na ha?
Correct.
Cash, a bouquet, and
Cash.
sa tupay. Ha?
2.5 and
Cash. Bouquet. And our Vice President will give the award.
to the honor Vice.
Yes,
President.
congratulations, you are our second runner-up.
Goes to
Contestant number. Contestant number 2. Congrats.
Ay, mapadaya na dyan yung tagay, ma'am.
So karon, ang nabilin,
Sa to nga.
ay sorry sa dulo. Okay, babasa to nabilin B, number 3 o number 4. Number 4 ba ni?
4 and 3.
O 4. Ay, baba tong number, kababa sa tong dirita ko napit na diri sir.
1, 5, and 2.
1-5 og 2, baba sa mo diri.
1, 5, 2, baba.
Okay. So, ang mabilin sa stage, yung 3 o number 4. No, di rin kayo mapicture. Wag!
Dala, 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 dala.
Malapit sa mga panamawan na, wala mo pananawa.
Ay, di na
Oh,
ba?
diara mo! Diara mo! Kilit. Diara mo, sir. Diara mo, sir.
1, 5,
Di
and
na ka, oy.
2. Pwede sila maglingkod. Sige, palingkod.
Di, kapoy sila, palingkod sa mo. O, sa kaasa sila, sa kaa. Okay, mangutanan sila to, ha?
Sige.
Sports lang man ito, ano, kung kasi makadaog siya, okay na sa inyo, ha? So, ikaw, kung ikaw makadaog, kung saan pa rin mong kwarta, assign sa imong ilibre.
Pagbayad sa bill, mas kurente, tubig.
Oh. So, ikaw, andaw na ba kay hatag ang corona sa iya, dili? Kay bayad daw sa bill. Sa man ikaw, kung ikaw makadaog, kung saan ni mga cash na 5,000, ilaak. So, sports na mo.
Sports naman, okay.
Wala may tabo. Sure, John. Holding hands. So, karon, again, ang first runner-up, makadaog siya o
Renewal.
Renewal.
Voucher.
Voucher. Sa tawag ka na ba? Renewal. Registration.
Registration.
Worth 3,500. And ang atong corona, ang atong queen,
Will receive
5,000. Diretso.
cash.
Kung ipakita daw 5,000, may bilang binuang lang na cash diya ba? Na ipakita to 5,000. 5,000. This is 5,000.
Correct.
Paul London. Ang atong 5,000 sponsored by Paul Dondon Navarro.
Thank you, sir.
Wala pa ka si Paul Dondon.
Palakpakan, Spalding Door.
Asa si Sir Paul? Nasa si Sir Paul Dondon niya?
Sir.
Sir, salamat eh. Wala pa ka si Sir Dondon. 5,000 ang yata ka. Kasi dumagan pa ni mo, sir. Pwede pa kayo, sir. Dati siya contestant po sa una. Sa first batch. Sorry daw. Siya po magkatang sa 5,000, sir. Salamat kayo sa ibang generosity. Wala pa ka, sir. Doon, grabe 5,000.
Palakpakan naman, kasamang sigawan.
Pero ganun na, sir. Duhul ko sa imo nga. Huwag kinihatag na ako. Grabe ko ka, sir. 5,000. So, akong i-announce, diretso atong Matchugate 2026.
Of course.
So, ang mabilin, automatic, of course, will be our first runner-up. And of course, if the first runner-up, if the winner, if the queen will not do her duty as Matchugate 2026, of course, the first runner-up will replace it. Okay? I mean, will substitute it. Diretso sa iyang corona.
Corona na kangkas,
Oo.
dili na.
Ang atong, our
Team Day Davao Match Day 2026 is Who's Your Bet?
wait
Again,
lang.
alright.
Wait
Again.
lang. Before they announce, palapakan po natin itong sound system. Palapakan po
Correct,
natin system natin.
palakpakan. And also the spinner. Thank
And of
you.
course, our spinner tonight, Spinner Clifford. Alright.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, again, our
Team Day Davao Match Day winner 2006 and 2026 is Who's Your Bet? Candidate. Again, Match Day 2026 candidate number.
Wait lang. Pasalamatan mo din ako, o sa muna ko, no? Ang Rans Audio, palapakan natin! And,
Bakit na akong tilao?
sige lang eh. Hoy, record, ang sekretary ni request, ano yung sekretary?
Sige.
Iupuan ko ni Madam
Sorry.
Rachel. Dugaya yun, ha? Dugaya yun.
Sige.
Napagol, dinugay, ano eh.
Ganun.
O, tinuhod na gini. Final!
Again, the Team Day Davao Match Day 2026 winner is candidate number 4.
And our first runner-up,
The first runner-up is candidate number
3.
3.
So once again, sana po ay you still continue supporting our club. Especially like this, the mga activity natin. Long live Team DA. And congratulations,
We do have raffle pa.
and congratulations din pala sa ating mga non-winners